Start the engine first. Insert the key and turn the ignition. This brings the excavator to life. Next, find the throttle knob. Turn it to increase the engine's RPMs, giving you the power you'll need. See the safety lock lever? Push it down. This unlocks the hydraulic controls. Your right control lever operates the boom. That's the main arm that goes up and down. It also curls the bucket in for digging and out for dumping. And your left control lever handles the arm or stick, extending it out to reach and pulling it back in. This lever also controls the swing, rotating the entire cab and boom assembly left or right. Down by your feet are the travel pedals. Push them to move the excavator forward or backward across the ground. With these controls, you're ready to dig, load, and move earth with precision.